Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking power and connections. Open Control Center to verify case and AirPods battery levels because low or erratic power often triggers beeps. Once done, visually inspect hinge, charging port, and lightning connector for debris or corrosion. Even a small particle can short a sensor. Make sure the case is dry. Moisture can cause intermittent sounds. Finally, temporarily disable Find My or remove the case from paired devices so you separate software alerts from hardware beeps. Now address software and firmware causes. Fully charge both AirPods and the case to a stable 100%. Unstable power during reset can worsen beeping. Then perform a factory reset. Hold the case setup button about 15 seconds until the light cycles white then amber, which clears profile bugs. Once done, reconnect and allow any firmware updates to install on the AirPods. Outdated firmware can produce alert beeps. Also update your phone or tablet OS to eliminate compatibility-triggered alerts. Finish by repairing your AirPods to the device and monitor them for a full day or two to ensure the beeping stopped. If sounds continue, swap chargers and cables and try a different outlet to rule out power supply noise. Intermittent current can mimic case issues. If you still hear beeping after those steps, it's likely a hardware fault. Contact Apple support or an authorized service provider for diagnostics and possible replacement. One troubleshooting tip: record the beep pattern. It helps technicians identify the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.